Hi guys, so today I'm gonna unbox this Jeulia box with something inside that's so special that I received today, but I'm going to show it to you. So here's a little bag. There's this little card that you can write on if you want to. So leave that there. This is just saying thank you for buying whatever you're getting. It says 15% off, or and it also says 50% off. So let's just leave that there. It says read before removing jewelry tag. So we don't need to worry about that as well. Here's your book with little glasses. And here's the jewelry box. In 3, 2, 1, I'm going to show you what's sticking out. That is amazing. I just saw it. It is this necklace. It is just amazing. So look at that. So it opens, so I'm going to show you the picture inside. Oh, it's so tiny. It's a tiny picture of me and my sister. And my family. It's also super special because my mom bought it for me. I'm so happy because I've always been wanting this type of necklace, and she just bought for me as a present. So look at that. The front, it's just a gold. It's shimmering. Here's the golden strap. It is so very shiny. Even the bottom is so shiny. Just look at the picture. Now there is a picture inside of my family and me and my sister. So that it's amazing. My mom's playing it on me now. It's gonna look amazing. So what are you waiting for? Go buy your Jeulia jewelry now. Bye. Hope you have some good jewelry from Jeulia.